In order to become the top 3 woodworking machinery exporter in the world, in April of 2012, the Industrial Development Bureau from the Ministry of Economic Affairs established the W-Team and leads the woodworking machinery industry in Taiwan to upgrade. There are 4 wood production lines established, including the Automatic Solid Wood Flooring Production Line, W-Team 1, the Automatic Solid Wood Finger Jointing Line, W-Team 2, the Panel Furniture Production Line, W-Team 3, and the Automatic Wood Boarding Line, W-Team 4. All the production lines were planned and developed by adapting the off-the-ground production method. The efficiency of production has increased more than 30%. The Automatic Solid Wood Flooring Production Line have the advantages of a high production capacity and a low labor force demand. It is the first production line in Taiwan that is close to the life demand of people. The allied manufacturers of the production line include Shenko Machine Company Limited, which is responsible for the 4-sided planer, Hit-Point Technic Associates Incorporated, which is responsible for the double-end tenoners, Yuxiang Machine Company Limited, which is responsible for the sanders, Pro-Sam Enterprise Company Limited, which is responsible for wood dust removing machine, and Zhongchang Machinery Company Limited, which is responsible for the central dust collection equipment. W-Team 1 produces high-quality solid wood flooring. The 4-sided planer can reach a maximum processing speed of 30 meters per minute and greatly increases the production capacity by more than 30%. The entire production line occupies 18 by 11 square meters of surface area. The processing speed is 12 to 30 meters per minute, with the maximum production capacity of 860 square meters of flooring per day. The labor demand would be reduced from 7 to 3 people. The Automatic Solid Wood Finger Jointing Line is the first line in Taiwan with the automatic timber defect detection function. It can effectively increase the efficiency of material usage and improve the resource efficiency, decreasing the demand of inspection labors. The allied manufacturers of the production line include Kwangyong Machinery Company Limited, which is responsible for multiple rip saws and cut-off saws, Precision Machinery Research and Development Center, which is responsible for the timber defect scanning system. It's the first system in Taiwan. Zhenguang Wood Machinery Works Company Limited, which is responsible for the wood finger jointers, and Leadermac Machinery Company Limited, which is responsible for the 4-sided planers. This production line integrates wood defect scanning system, automatic input scanning system, automatic production management system, etc. Its maximum processing capability of timber is 3,000 millimeters of length, 300 millimeters of width, and 50 millimeters of height. Because of the upgrade of automation, the labor force is saved by 50% and is reduced from 34 to 16 people. The Automatic Solid Wood Finger Jointing Line provides a complete solution for high-speed solid wood finger material production. The maximum feeding speed of the finger joint machine can reach 90 timbers per minute. The whole production line has the production capacity of 10,000 meters in 8 hours. The production capacity can be greatly increased by 30%. The Panel Furniture Production Line is the first system in the world that can combine with the cabinet design of customer. The designed cabinet can be characterized with the inkjet painting. The allied manufacturers include Anderson Group, which is responsible for CNC cutting machine, edge banding machine, CNC drilling machine, and color inkjet printer. And AutoWork Technology Company Limited, which is responsible for AutoWork cabinet design software and optimized publishing software. This production line integrates AutoWork cabinet design software, optimized publishing software, automatic production technology, and production processing information integration system, which can mix-produce customized and batch orders. It meets the current market demands of personalization and customization. The edge banding machine with the automatic feedback unit can reach a maximum processing speed of 20 meters per minute and greatly increase the production capacity by more than 30%. The line uses only half of the original labor cost, which can greatly reduce expenses. Taking the order of a customized case of 100 by 80 by 40 centimeters cube, for example. The whole process can be accomplished within 4 hours from accepting order to assembly. The automatic wood boarding line is the first production line that makes the application of labor more flexible with an automatic operation process. It also shortens the time of operation as to increase production capacity. The line can be attached to the solid wood finger jointing line and become a total solution of solid wood material line. The allied manufacturers in this production line include Guomeng Electric Company Limited, which is responsible for the high-frequency wood boarding machine. Chenyuan Tech Company Limited, which is responsible for the vertical and horizontal cutting machine. And AccuMaster Machinery Industries Company Limited, which is responsible for the upper and lower sanding machines. This production line integrates the operations of high-frequency gluing system, vertical and horizontal automatic cutting system, upper and lower sanding system, and production management system. It is a highly efficient automatic production line for solid wood boarding and material cutting. The time for high-frequency solidification is only 2 minutes. The cutter can work in both vertical and horizontal directions with high speeds and reach a maximum feeding speed of 60 meters per minute. So the production capacity of this production line is greatly improved by more than 100%. Through the integration of diverse functions, 26 pieces of boards with the length of 2,440 millimeters, width of 1,220 millimeters, and thickness of 20 millimeters per hour. 236 pieces of panels with the length of 780 millimeters, width of 400 millimeters, and thickness of 20 millimeters can be produced per hour. With the instructions and rigorous examination of Industrial Development Bureau, the 4 production lines of the W-Team have good quality assurance for its products.